Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called Twin Lines by Wook, and here are the rules. We have standard Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit from 1 through 9 such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region. The blue lines are twin lines. Exactly one half of the line, one half of, oh yeah, that's a weird typo. Exactly one half of each line obeys the German whisperer rule, and the other half a one renban rule. I don't know what the one renban is. Well, maybe it'll be explained. Since every line length is odd, they overlap in the middle cell of every line. Oh, interesting. Which end is what line type has to be deduced by the solver. Adjacent digits along the green German whisper line must differ by at least 5. And I will be calling them whisper 5 lines because the setter came up with that designation, and I think it made a lot of sense because it's very easily extensible. Digits along the purple 1 renban line must form a set of non-repeating consecutive digits in any order. Additionally, in this puzzle, the renban parts always contain the one digit. That's why it's a one renban. Okay, so good. I'm glad that they explained that. So, along each line, half of it is going to be a renban line. The other half is going to be a whisper 5 / German whisper line. And the renban portion always contains a 1. So you could have something like this being 1, 3, and 2, and then you have 1, 8, and 2 there. And this would be valid because we have a whisper 5 line for this half of the line, and a renban line containing the 1 digit on this line. And they must form a set of non-repeating consecutive digits, so and containing the 1 in this puzzle. Digits in cells separated by a black dot are in a 2-to-1 ratio. So, for example, if this were, say, a 2 here, this would have to be 1 or 4 to maintain the 1-to-2 ratio that is between them, because there's a black dot there. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, let's mark the middles of each line. So this is the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a middle. This is a middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a middle there. 1, 2, 3. That's a middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a middle here. Okay. The renban always contains a 1. So therefore, this digit in the middle must be part of the renban. And in this case, it's 1 or 2. Because the renban has to be 2 in length. It's 1, 1, 2 in that renban. This must be 1, 2, or 3. This must be 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3 there. This must be 1 through 4. This has to be 1 through 5, but 5 can never be on a whisper 5 line. Because if you subtract 5 or more from 5, you get 0 or less. If you add 5 or more to 5, you get 10 or more, neither of which are normal Sudoku digits. So this must be 1 through 4 here. This can't be 5 either, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6. Interesting. So, one half of this is going to be Whisper 5. The other half is going to be Renban. Well, if this is 6, that would require, and this, say this was, how does this work? Say this was Whisper 5. That would make that, and that's a 6. Well, 1 through 4 is here. 1 would have to be next to a 2. 2 would have to be next to a 1 or 4. 3 would be next to 6, and 4 would be next to 2 or 8. Okay. So, this is going to be either 1, 2, or 6, 7, 8, 9 there. We don't know which. In this box here, in this box, we guaranteed have 1, 2, 3 somewhere on this line because it has to form a Renban of 1, 2, 3, which means the rest of the box cannot contain 1, 2, or 3. So this is 4 through 9, 4 through 9 here. Again, for this line, we have 1, 2, and 3. And this digit sees all digits on this line. So this cannot be 1, 2, or 3. It's 4 through 9 there. So this, okay, these digits must be 1, 2, or 3. Or they must be a high digit next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line. So it's 7, 8, or 9 there. Same with this. This is either 1, 2, or 3. Or it's 7, 8, 9 next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line. And this one, this is also 1, 2, or 3. Or this one can be next to 2 unique digits. This could be one next to 1 unique digit on a Whisper 5 line. Anyways, these digits see all the digits on this line, so it cannot be 1, 2, or 3. So this is 4 through 9 there. Okay. If this were the Renban, it would have to be 1 through 5, and this cell sees all of that. So this cannot be the Renban here. Let's make the middles green. So this has to be low here. This cannot be the Renban because it would be 1 through 5 and would eliminate all possibilities for that cell there. So this is low, which makes this high. This is low, which makes this high, and therefore that's low there. This digit must be on a Renban. So it cannot be 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 1 through 5 here. So this has to be 4 or 5 because it can't be 1, 2, or 3 because the 1, 2, or 3 in this box is on this line. So this cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it sees all the digits on this red band portion, which must be 1 through 5. These see all the 5, so this cannot have a 5 here. We don't know what else, though. This is high, this is low. That's 1 through 4. This is low. This is 1 through 4. We have a 1 through 4 quadruplet in row 7, which eliminates 1 through 4 in the rest of the row. So this cannot be 1 or 2. It's 6, 7, 8, or 9. This can't be 4. It's 5. That leaves this as 6 through 9, 6 through 9 here. This is 5, which eliminates 5 from being there. So this has to be high, which makes that the ren band. So this is 1 or 2 here. Okay. This is next to 2 unique digits on the whisper 5 part. So this is 7, 8, and 9. We have 5 here, which eliminates 5 in the rest of the box. If this were the ren band part, it would be 1 through 4 guaranteed here, but we have 5 cells requiring the digits 1 through 4 if that were the case. So this cannot be the ren band part, which means this is the ren band part, so it's 1 through 4 there. This has to be high, this is low, and this is high then. So since this is low, it's 1 through 4 here. The remaining digits in this box are 5 through 9. So we have 6 through 9 here, 5 through 9 there. This is high. This is next to 6 through 9 there. These are all low. These are all low, so this cannot be low here. So this has to be 6 or 8, which is only next to 3 or 4 in a 1 to 2 ratio. Okay. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet in column 8, which eliminates 1, 2, 3, 4 in the rest of the column. No 1, 2, 3 here. No 4 here. These are all high. So we have highs here, and this is high, which means this is 5 left here, which means the rest of the digits in box 3 are all high, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a 5 accounted for. So this is high, which means this is the whisper 5 line, so this is low. And this must be low, and it has to be 1, 2, 3 as a triplet. Oh. So these are all low. And this must be low, high, low. I should have figured that out. The other digit has to be 4 here. So this is 4 because this is 1, 2, 3 as a triplet, which means this can't be 1, 2, or 3. It's 4, which means this can't be 4. It's 3, which is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 6. So no 3 or 6 here, no 3 or 4 here. No 3 or 4 here. 3 is next to a 8 or 9 on the whisper 5 portion. This 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 7, 8, 9 here, which eliminates 7, 8, 9 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 7, 8, 9, or 4, it's 6 here. So no 6 here, no 4 here. We are guaranteed 3 and 4 on this ren band portion. So this cannot be 3 or 4, it's 1 and 2. We have a 1, 2, 1, 2 pair in row 7, which eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the row. This can't be 1 or 2, it's 3. 4 must be next to 9 on the whisper 5 portion. So this can't be 9 here. This can't be 1, 2, or 3. It's 4, which must be next to 9 on the whisper 5 portion. So there's no 9 here, no 9 here. No 9 here. This can't be 9 either. 1, 2 as a pair in box 8 eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the box. This can't be 1 or 2, it's 3. This can't be 1, 2, or 3, so this has to be a high digit, which means this is the whisper 5 portion of it. So this is low, cannot be 1, 2, or 3, it must be 4. Which has to be next to 9 on the whisper 5 line. These are then all 3 lows. 3 eliminates 3 from being here and here. These are low, 7, 8, so it's 1, 2, 3. No 3 here. 4 eliminates 4 here. Remaining digits in box 7 are 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining digits in box 8 are 5, 6, 7, 8. No 6 here because of 6 in the row. Okay. 4 eliminates 4 in the column. 6 eliminates 6 in the row. Remaining digits of box 3 are 7, 8, and 9. 6 can't be here because of 6 in the column. Okay. If this is Renban, it has to be 3, 5, or 6. If it's Whisper 5, it's 3 and 8 or 9. So this digit is the same as this digit because it's not on this Renban portion, so it has to be here. So then these are the same, and then this must be the same as this. B means this can't be B, that's A. We don't know about these. Okay. Nine eliminates 9 here. Okay, how does this work? If this is a full Renban here, it would have to be 1 through 6 here. But the problem is that would require 7, 8, 9 here, and then that's not going to work as a Whisper 5 line. So this cannot be Renban, this must be Whisper 5, which means this is Renban here. So we have 1 through 6 here. This can't be 1, 2, or 4. No 1, 2, or 4 here. Where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sextuplet in row 4, which eliminates 1 through 6 in the rest of the row. So this can't be 5 or 6. This is 7, 8, 9. This is 7, 8, 9. Well, where is 6 in row 4? It has to be on the Renban portion here, which means 6 cannot be in the rest of the Renban, which means this is low, so this must be high. Then we have low here, high, low, and high. Well, one of these highs has to be a 6 because we have a high here. And this can't be 6 because we have a 6 there. So 6 has to be here, which is next to 1. This is 7, 8, and 9 then. This can't be 1. 1 and 6 cannot be here. Where is 1 on the Renban portion? Can't be here, can't be here. So it has to be here. So this is 1, which makes this 2. So A is 2. A is 2. And B is 1. 2 cannot be here. Where is 2 on the Renban portion? It must be here. So this is 2. This is a low. It's either 3 or 4. It cannot be 4 because that's next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 portion. So this must be 3, which makes this 5, which makes that 4. 3 is next to 8 and 9 on the Whisper 5 portion. Therefore, this can't be 8 or 9. It's 7. This can't be 2 or 3. There's no 2 here. It's 1, 3, or 4. No 1s here, so this must be 1 here. This can't be 7, 8, or 9 because of the 7, 8, 9 triplet in the row. This has to be 7 because of the 8, 9 pair in the row. So this can't be 7 here. This can't be 7 here. This can't be 7 here. We have an 8, 9 pair in box 6, which eliminates 8 and 9 in the rest of the box. This can't be 8 or 9. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 5, which makes that 6. 5 eliminates 5 here, so that's 3, which makes this not 3 or 5, it's 6. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 4 and 3. 7 eliminates 7 here. 9 eliminates 9 here, so this is 8, which makes this 9. This cannot be 1 here, and you can't have 8 here. So if this is 3, it must be 2 here. Otherwise, this is 2 here. Well, the problem is this is 1. So we're guaranteed a 2 in one of these two spots. If this can't be 3 and 7 next to each other on the Whisper 5 line, because that's only 4 apart from each other. So either this is 3 and that's 2, or this is 2, and therefore you can't have 2 here. We have a 2, 3 pair in the column 3, which eliminates 2 and 3 in the rest of the column. This can't be 2, it's 7. So this must be the Whisper 5 portion, and 7 can only be next to 2 or 1 on the Whisper 5 portion. This can't be 1, so this is 2. This can't be 3, so it's 2, which makes this 3. No 3 here. 2 eliminates 2 here, so that's 1 and 2, which makes this 2 and 1. 5 eliminates 5 here. This can't be 5 or 6. No 5 or 7 here. No 7 that way. So this is low. So this must be 1, 3 as a pair. And 1 can't be here because of 1 in the column. So this is 3, which makes this 1. That's 3 in the corner. We celebrate because we're close to solving this. 7 eliminates 7 here. So where's 7 in box 7? It must be one of these two cells, which eliminates 7 here. So this is 8, which makes that 7. No 7, 8 here. No 7, 8 here. 8 eliminates 8 here and 8 here. We have 8, 9 remaining in column 2, which eliminates 8, 9 in the rest of the box, so this can't be 8 or 9. It's 4, 5. 7 eliminates 7 here. We have an 8, 9, 8, 9 pair in column 9, which eliminates 8, 9 in the rest of the column. This can't be 8 or 9, it's 7. There's no 7 here. Remaining digits of row 3 are 1, 4, and 5. This can't be 1 or 4, so this must be 5, this must be 4, and that must be 1. Remaining digits of box 1 are 5 and 6. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the row, so that's 6, that's 5, which makes this 6. That makes that 8, and that 5. 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 7, which makes that 6, which makes that 5. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 8 and 7. We have all 9 1s. We should have all 9 2s. 3s. We have 8 3s, so we know where the last 3 has to be. It has to be there. 4s. The 4 in row 2 cannot be the filled-in digits. It can't be here because of 4 in the box. Can't be here because of 4 in the column. So 4 has to be there. We now have 8 4s. We know where the last 4 has to be. It has to be there. 5. We have 8 5s. We know where the last 5 has to be. It has to be there. 6s. We have 8 6s. We know where the last 6 has to be. It has to be there. 7s in row 5. 7 cannot be here because of 7 in the boxes. Can't be here because of 7 in the column. So that's 7. And we now have 8 7s. So we know where the last 7 is. It's there. 8. Where is 8 in column 4? It has to be here, which makes this 9, which makes that 8, which makes that 9, which makes that 8, which makes that 9. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 9 and 8. 9 eliminates 9 here, so that's 8, and that's 9. And that's a solution. Pretty interesting idea of combining two different lines together at one central point, and then having to deduce which portion is going which way. I could see this actually being a pretty usable rule. And you could do this with multiple different types of lines, which is actually that's I think the more interesting part, right? You could do this with like a modular line and a Renban line, or a modular line and a entropy line, right? So that's interesting. Or you could even have region sum lines potentially add there too. Like the twin lines idea can be very extensible, I could see, if you wanted to set different types of puzzles that way. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.